Number one thing to preserve your weight or maintain your weight, or if you want to lose weight, this right here. This is your enemy. But this one only has 7, so it's low carb. Now, I know you see the mayonnaise. Don't be scared to go in on the mayonnaise. Mayonnaise has no carbs. It has fat but no carbs. Now with this quick short meal, I'm gonna add tuna. Tuna is very good. It's low fat, low carb, well, no carbs at all right there, and it has protein. You can also do the canned chicken. That's another good idea. Now, as you see here, there's the tuna. I'm just gonna mix it together. Now I like beans, so I'm gonna add some beans to this. I know you might think like, oh, I know you might think it's nasty or something. Now, beans do have more carbs, but I mean, you could be moderate with everything. You don't have to go all in. So, I got my beans right here. I'm gonna add it, and then I'm gonna mix it. I like these beans. Man, they go hard. And I can eat these cold all day. I don't know why. I just like the flavor. But you can add any. Black beans will be better because they're low on sodium and all that good stuff. Now I'm just gonna mix it up. So this is just something quick that you can cook. I'm gonna be adding more videos like this. Like and subscribe, hit the like button, support the channel, hit the links up on top. Let's go, baby.